I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Okay, kids, this is an unexpected pleasure. We had a break in the weather, so I wanted to pop test the Dreamsicle, which a lot of you guys may or may not remember. The Dreamsicle originally was all orange, and it had a big bubbly canopy on it, and I swapped that canopy out for this one. I can't remember the make of it. But anyway, we're just going to do a pop test on a half-charge 4S. Got this Chrome Cobras on here. It's actually not hateful windy, if you can see the flag way over there, but it is cold as shit. So we're going to just give this thing a little bit of a pop test, and we're going to see what happens. So here we go. No smoke. It's a good sign. Looks pretty. All right. Oh, I like it already. Car coming. Look at that, nice and smooth. Wow, I like it. Phew. Need my goggles on, but I usually don't fly FPV in the neighborhood. Not with the big bird anyway. I like it. This is the Proton frame. Love it. And this is a half-dead battery, but and my Cobra motors. I like it. I know Cobra motors very well. I know exactly how they feel. I know what they're going to do. My battery on my Tyrannus is a little bit dead, so I'm not going to go too far. So, anyway, Dreamsicle. Beautiful. Love it. Dead battery, but nice. And we are running in that. What are we running in this thing? This one's running the Alpha. Lumineer Alpha, not even warm, look at that. Running Butterflight, that's the Alpha all-in-one 35 amp ESC BL Heli S with the Cobra Chromies. What are those? 2207 2450s. Foxier Micro Aero, of course. So, yeah, love it. So, until next time, kids, keep shiny side up. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.